How often are you exposed to new, interesting content? And what can you remember about it after a couple of days? If you need to be up to date with recent trends, you are consuming content as part of your day-to-day. For example, by reading about new posts on LinkedIn or Twitter, watching new TED Talks, Google Talks, Harvard Business Review or similar type of videos, reading new books, attending new trainings, etc. However, if you pay close attention, you'll realize that you're becoming a content-consuming machine, but you're learning very little. Think about it. How much of what you consumed last week you can still remember? How much of it can you use to grow your thinking or elaborate your ideas as part of a conversation? Being exposed to content might give you a sense of understanding or accomplishment, but it doesn't mean learning that content. Learning is about acquiring knowledge by study, experience, or being taught. But it is also about committing it to memory. If you cannot recall it, you cannot use it. Now, put this in perspective for a second. All the time and energy you're spending by being exposed to knowledge that you don't commit to memory. Think about this great article, that interesting video, or the useful book you read some time back. What about if you could spend less time and less energy, but learn more? What about if you could make it more efficiently? For example, instead of reading a full 3-hour book on a particular topic, what about if you watch the video summary from that book and 5 or 6 more? Then you extract the key ideas and you integrate them as part of your daily routine in a way that you can learn these ideas much faster and better. This new approach to learning is based on the following principles and models. Quick capture. At any given time, you should be able to capture a new piece of information and store it in your knowledge base in a matter of seconds. Active recall. It's an efficient way of moving information from short-term memory to long-term memory. It's based on trying to retrieve information from memory in an active way. Spaced repetition. It's an evidence-based learning technique where you practice the information that you want to learn and you repeat it across increasing intervals. Bloom's taxonomy. It's a model that classifies learning based on the complexity of the cognitive process that's required. For example, it's not the same to remember something than to create something with it. Atomic habits. By following this guide from the book with the same name, you can integrate the process of learning as part of your daily habits to allow you to practice regularly. Honestly, I was also a heavy reader, devouring book after book in hopes that the knowledge would magically stick into my memory. And later I realized that I couldn't remember much more than the title of the book and 3 to 5 key ideas. That's why, if you need to learn frequently, I encourage you to try this new approach. I call it learning efficiently, and it's based on these 3 simple steps. First, as you read an article or watch a video, identify and capture the valuable pieces of knowledge or micro-concepts that you want to learn and put them into the learning system. Second, identify these moments in your day where you can practice any of these micro-concepts in a matter of seconds. And third, pull out your phone and try to actively recall the content. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, as I'll upload more videos related to how to learn efficiently. Also, please let me know in the comments if you'd like more in-depth videos about any particular topic. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.